Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day takes place on the 14th of February each year and is celebrated around the world. It's a celebration of love where people express their love for each other with flowers, presents, and cards. You might send an unsigned card to someone saying you are their secret admirer. You might profess your love to someone new. Or you might be celebrating your existing relationship with a partner. In the UK, Valentine's Day is a big commercial holiday. Some people think Valentine's Day is silly and that it's only about making money. To be honest, you can see where they're coming from. Valentine's Day themed gifts and chocolate will appear in the shops pretty much as soon as Christmas is over. They take up a huge section in the seasonal aisles, and you'll often see signs that say, "Don't forget Valentine's Day." My boyfriend and I, we like Valentine's Day. We don't do a lot, but it's a nice opportunity to spend some time together and have a nice date. Often, we go to the beach on Valentine's Day. We like the beach, as it's usually pretty quiet compared to restaurants. Restaurants usually book up quickly on Valentine's Day, as we've found when we've looked in the past. Instead, we travel down to the waterfront. It's a great way to spend time together. We love walking together, the flatness of the sand and the sound of the water. Sometimes we get to see the boats coming in and out of the harbour. We usually go to the beach after work in the evening. This means we also get to watch the sunset, which is always so beautiful. All in all, it's really lovely. Don't get us wrong, it's usually freezing, as it's February. In the UK, February is usually cold. It looks like this year it might snow on Valentine's Day. You won't find us jumping in the water, but it's good to spend some quality time together and isn't something we do on a regular basis. This year's Valentine's Day is on a Sunday, which means we're going to do something a little bit different. This year, we're going to be spending a cosy morning in. We'll make pancakes, watch a movie, and we'll have a nice, low-key, relaxed day. We might not even get out of pyjamas. Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? If so, what are you planning this year? Are you the sort of person that goes all out when celebrating love? Or do you like to keep things simple, like us?